Armamentarium for oral surgery. Content: Introduction, classification of the instrument for transferring the sterile instruments for incising tissue, instruments for elevating mucoperiosteum, instrument for retracting soft tissue, instrument for controlling hemorrhage, instruments for grasping tissue, instruments for removing bone, instruments for removing pathological tissue, instruments for suturing mucosa, instruments for opening mouth, instruments for suctioning, instruments for irrigation, instruments for holding towels and drape in position, instruments for extraction of teeth, local anesthesia, dental elevator, extraction forceps, instrument tray. Conclusion: instruments for transferring the sterile instruments. Chisel forceps: it is a long handle, long angulated beaks, serrated beaks dipped in the antiseptic solution. Lift up a sterile instrument from the autoclave drum. Transverse forceps: heavy, right-angled, heavy jaw. Swab holding forceps: long handle, straight beaks, which are fenestrated ends, rings, end of handles. Working end: inner aspect is serrated. Uses: pick up sterile gauze, transfer to the tray. Hold gauze, dip into the antiseptic solution, scrub the surgical field. Instruments for incising tissue: scalpel, handle number 3 and number 7. They are differently shaped. They are disposable, sterile, sharp blade. Number 15 is most commonly used. For mucoperiosteum, number 10, similar to number 15, is used. For large incision, number 11, sharp pointed, small stab incision for abscess. Number 12, hooked mucogingival surgery, posterior aspect of teeth and tuberosity. Crane grasp: allow the maximum control. Hold the mobile tissue firmly. Press down firmly. Single patient use. Always use new blade because it gets dulled easily and thus gets dull incision. Instruments for elevating mucoperiosteum. Mucosa and periosteum reflect in a single layer. Periosteal elevator, number 9, mold periosteal elevator, sharp and pointed end, reflects papilla from between the teeth, loosen the soft tissue via gingival sulcus, border end, elevating the tissue from the bone, sharp, thin cutting edge, clean separation of mucoperiosteum from bone. Round-ended mold periosteal elevator, it is single, double-ended. Reflection of the soft tissue, third method, praying method, push motion and pull scrape motion. Woodson periosteal elevator, small and delicate, loosen the soft tissue via gingival sulcus. Howard's periosteal elevator, double-ended, one-ended, flat, broad, spatulated, sharp edge, other edge Zucchine and flat and rectangular, small tip, sharp, perpendicular. Reflection and retraction mucoperiosteal flap, reflection of periosteum. Moon's probe, right angle, narrow, working end, flat handle and blades are perpendicular to the handle. Narrow working edge, blunt and rounded tip. Mucoperiosteal elevation prior to extraction. Instruments for retracting soft tissues. It is done for good vision and access. Cheek, tongue and mucoperiosteal flap. Mouth mirror commonly used. Retractors, broad heart shape, serrated on one side, firmly engages the tongue, retracted medially and inferiorly. Don't position posteriorly, causes gagging. Austen retractor, it is right angle L-shaped, no handle, retraction of intraoral flap, removal of impacted teeth. Miniosta retractor, both Austen and Miniosta retractor cheek and Baker periosteal flaps simultaneously. Before flap, retractor head loosely in the cheek. After flap reflection, retractor placed on the bone and used to retract the flap. Sheldon's retractor, similar to the periosteal elevator, heading edge, dull, shouldn't reflect periosteum. Periosteal elevator, primary instrument for retraction, position on the bone and head to help and reflect tissue. Langenbach's retractor, it is L-shaped retractor, long handle, retraction of the flap edges, improved visualization of deeper layer and structures. Different sizes, handle length and blade width. Tongue depressor, L-shaped, no handle, broad, flat, rounded blade. Retraction and depression of tongue, improve visibility, posterior pharyngeal wall and tonsillar region, lingual side of mandible, removal of throat pack as a cheek retractor. Towel clip, hold the tongue, biopsy performed on the posterior aspect by holding the anterior tongue, profound instrument for contouring hemorrhage, arteries and veins bleeding, pressure not enough. Hemostat varies variety of shapes, small or delicate, large, straight or curved. Curved hemostats, long delicate beak to grasp tissue and looking handle. Locking handle, clamp onto a vessel, then let go and remains clamped onto the tissue. Remove the granulation tissue, pick up the root tips, species of calculus, fragments of amalgam restoration, any other small particle dropped into mouth. Small hemostat, mosquito forceps, example Kyle, Spencer Wells, and has instead mosquito artery forceps. Instrument for grasping tissue. Soft tissue stabilization, pass suture needle. Addison tissue forceps, pickups, delicate forceps, teeth, small teeth, gently hold the tissue and stabilize. Don't grasp too tightly, crushing. Non-toothed, single tissue holding forceps, toothed periosteum muscle, aponeurosia, non-toothed fascia, mucosa, pathological tissue, sterile forceps, longer but similar Addison, 7 to 9 inches long. Easy grasp of the tissue in the posterior part with enough parts protruding beyond the lips. Cotton forceps. Angle, small fragments of tooth, amalgam, foreign material, placing, removing scotch packs. Ellis tissue forceps. Tissue locking handle for proper placement, held by assistance, necessary tension. Teeth, which will firmly grip the tissue. Removal of the large amount of fibrous tissues. Apulus fissuratum. Never let tissue to be left in the mouth and crushing injuries. Russian tissue forceps. Large round end, teeth elevated from the socket, round head, positive grip, avoid spillage, unlike the hemostat, placement of the gauge, and for isolation. Bobcause tissue holding forceps, non-toothed blade, long beak, broad working end, smooth non-striated edge, ring locking mechanism, hold delicate tissue, lymph node and mucosa, holding cystic lining during enucleation. Instrument for removing bone, Rorke's forceps, most commonly used. Sharp blades squeeze together, cutting, pinching thorough bone. Leaf spring between the handle. Instruments open when the hand pressure is released. Repeated cuts without manual reopening. Two major designs: side cutting and end cutting. Blue metal arches, most dentoalveolar surgical procedure. Inserted into socket, intraradicular bone, sharp edge of the bone, large amount of bone quickly and efficiently. Do not remove large amount of bone in a single cut. Chisel. Monobevel chisel, bone is removed. Bibevel chisel, teeth. Success, sharpness before sterilization. Carbide tip. Use more than once before sharpening. Cylindrical handle, striated with flat end, struck with metal. Flat and rectangular cutting edge in different sizes. Single beveled cutting edge, transalveolar extraction. Removal of impacted tooth. Bevel face, bone to be cut. Cutting edge perpendicular to bone. Osteotome, splitting bone. Cylindrical handle, serrated for good grip. Flat end, taped with the mallet. Flat and rectangular blade. Bi-bevel cutting edge, converged to a sharp edge. Bone file, final smoothing of the bone before suturing of the mucoperiosteal flap. Double-ended, small and large, removes bone, full stroke. Avoid motion, bruising and crushing the bone. Surgical mallet. Cutting bone with ostium chisel, stainless steel, strong cylindrical handle, taped, pull back mesh action, force from wrist, tapped with control force, made to spring back from chisel osteotome. For jaw surgery, in evident force. Burr and handpiece. Surgical removal of the teeth. High speed sharp carbide burr is equals to cortical bone removal. Number 557703 Fisher burr. Number 8 round burr. Large bone burr, archaic burr, large bone removal torus. Relatively high speed and torque, rapid bone removal and efficient sectioning. Avoid high speed turbine drill used in restorative dentistry because tissue emphysema. Instrument for removing pathology tissue. Periapical curate, angle, doubled angle, removal of the granulation tissue, small cysts from periapical lesions, small amount of granulation tissue debris from tooth socket. Hilston sinus fossa, handle with the ring at the end, no lock ratchet, narrow, longer, slender beak, inner surface transverse serration close to the tip. Draining the pus from an abscess, inserted by blunt dissection and opened up. No lock, blind insertion and close injury structure. Instrument for suturing mucosa. Flap returned to its original position and held by suture. Needle holder. Instrument with locking handle. Short stout beak. Uses 6 or 5 cm is recommended. Beak shorter and stronger than hemostat. Face of the beak cross-hatched, positive grasp unlike hemostat. Thumb and ring finger through the rings. Index finger along the length of the holder. Second finger aids in control the locking mechanism. Comparison: hemostat beak smaller than the sinus forceps, longer than the needle forceps, transverse striation and ratchet. Needle holder crisscross striations and ratchet, and sinus forceps striation only near the tip, no ratchet. Suture needles, mucosal closure, half circle, 3/8 circle, curved, pass through the limited space, twisted wrist, large variety of shape, very small to very large, cutting needle, pass through mucoperiosteum more easily than a tapered needle, 1/3 cutting remaining, round, tapered, vascular, ocular, should always be cut through the tissue lateral to the top. Suture material usually swagged on, held 2/3 between the tip and the base, enough exposed to pass through the tissue, grasp in the strong portion to prevent bending. Scissor, short cutting edges, long handles and thumb and ring finger. Held same as needle holder. Dean scissor, slightly curved handle and serrated blades. Iris scissor and Metis on scissor, straight or curved blades. Iris scissor, very fine skin suture, small, sharp, pointed, delicate. Metis on scissors, undermining tissue, soft tissue and cutting sharp or rounded tip. Don't cut the suture because dulling of the edge, less effective or more traumatic. Instruments for opening mouth. Soft rubber-like block where patient rests his teeth. Patient opens to comfortably wide position. Block inserted, holes in the position, protects the patient TMJ while mandibular teeth. Various size for various patient and varying degree of opening. Mouth gag, bite blocks, mold mouth prop, Rowan's mouth prop, Hester's jaw stretcher, Terabyte, mouth probe with mouth guard, mouth probe with suction tape. Instruments for suctioning. Adequate visualization, blood, saliva, irrigating solution suction. Surgical suction, small orifice, then usual rapid evacuation of the fluid. Several designs of orifice, soft tissue not aspirated and injured. High volume suction tape, saliva ejector, passive suction. Instruments for irrigation. Bone removal with steady stream of irrigation, sterile, saline or water. Cool the burr, prevents the bone damage, heat build-up, increase the efficacy of the burr, washes away the bone chip, lubrication. Completion of the procedure before suturing. Large plastic syringe, blunt, 18 cork needle. Instrument for holding towels and drape in position. Towel clip, needles, towel clips. Instrument for extraction of teeth. Local anesthetic instruments, length 32 mm, 20 mm needle, 27 to 30 gauge commonly used. 25 gauge referred to as high risk of positive aspiration. 30 gauge not specific, local infiltration. computer control alert delivery system, safety syringe, disposable syringe, non-disposable syringe, needle holder, additional amatarium, topical antiseptic, topical anesthetic, applicator stick, sterile gauze, hemostat. Dental elevators, grip, palm grip, heavy force, handle rest against the heel of the palm, finger grip, a delicate application. Types based on their shape and size: straight, triangular, pinnet shape, pick. Based on their form: straight, angular, crossbar. Based on their use: remove the apical third of the root, remove the mucoperiosteum, remove entire teeth, remove the roots broken at the gingival line, remove teeth broken half away to the apex. Forceps for maxillary tooth. For maxillary anterior, maxillary premolar, maxillary molar, maxillary third molar. Maxillary cow horn forceps. Maxillary cow horn forceps. Maxillary root forceps. Forceps for mandibular teeth. Anterior forceps, premolar forceps, molar forceps, molar forceps, third molar forceps, cow horn forceps, root forceps. Elevators, straight elevators, apexo elevators, root tip pick elevators, plain pick elevators. Crossbar elevators, Prior's forceps, Copeland elevators, Copeland elevators. Instrument trays, instrument arrangement trays, flat, sterile, wrapped with sterilization paper, open preserving sterility, requires large autoclave cassette, more compact. Basic extraction pack, local anesthesia, needle, cartridge, number 9 periosteal elevator, periapical kit rate, stair elevators, small and large, college tires, curved hemostat, travel plug, Austin Maniosta retractor, suction tip, 2x2, 4x4 gauze, forceps, surgical extraction tray, additional items, needle holder and suture, suture scissors, spade handle and blade, addition tissue forceps, bone file, a tongue retractor, Skyers elevator and Rogers, handpiece and board. Biopsy tray, basic tray without elevator, blade handle and blade, needle holder and suture scissors, Metzabine scissors, Alice scissor, addition tissue forceps, curve hemostat. Postoperative tray, irrigation, syringe, suction tip, suture remover, scissors, college wire, cotton applicator stick and gauze. Thank you.